This is Chapter 6 review, number 21. So here we're asked to use the theorem quoted in the directions to show that these two things are inverses. So we'll start by doing f of g of x. So the idea here is I'm going to take my g of x and plug it into the x's in my f of x. And I have 2 times my g of x plus 3 over 3 times my g of x plus 5. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 2 through and make a common denominator. So here the common denominator would just be 3x minus 2. So I'll multiply the top and bottom of 3 by that, and the same thing with the 5. So when I do that, I'm going to have 6 minus 10x over 3x minus 2 plus 3 times 3x is 9x, and then 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, 3x minus 2. And then 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15x, x minus 2, 5 times 3x is 15x, then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. And if we combine like terms, so positive 6 and negative 6 is 0, negative 10x and positive 9x is negative x for 3x minus 2. In the denominator, I have negative 15x and positive 15x, so that's 0. And 9 minus 10 is negative 1. And then to divide fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. So the 3x minus 2's cancel, the negatives cancel. So we're left with just x. That's the 1/2 of it. Then to do g of f of x, same idea, but doing the opposite way. So I'm going to take all of f of x and plug it into the x's for g of x. So I'm going to have 3 minus 5 times the f of x. And then I'll have 3 times the f of x minus 2. Okay, just like before, I'm going to make a common denominator. The common denominator here is 3x plus 5. And we'll distribute the coefficients through, just like we did last time. So it's going to be 3 times 3x is 9x, 3 times 5 is 15 over 3x plus 5. And then I'm going to leave the negative sign there. So 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times 3x is 15. You could push the negative sign through if you wanted to. I just didn't feel like doing it. And then 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times 3 is 9. And then again, I'm going to leave the negative sign there and just do the 2. So that's 6x and 10. And now, when I combine these, I'm going to be worrying about the negatives. So 9x minus 10x is negative x. And 15 minus 15 is 0. And then 6x minus 6x is 0. And 9 minus 10 is negative 1. And over 3x plus 5. And just like before, we'll divide these fractions by multiplying by the reciprocal of the denominator. The x plus 5's cancel, the negatives cancel, leaving us with just x.